Hello friends, today is our topic how can find the cardinality of given set. Please subscribe, please first subscribe, likes and share and given valuable comments. So now let's go. Here question CSIR NET December 2015 Mathematics Set B question number 39 Mass 3 and medium English. So what is the cardinality is important for of the set that belongs to complex number, that is here complex number here, and z is not 1 and z not equal to z is to n is not equal to 1 and any n is less than or equal to 98. 4 option is given 1 2 3 4. So now solution find out. How can find out the solution first here? Cardinality means what is the meaning of cardinality? Means number of elements in a set. Mailing that is the method first. Next here, so method first, yes, given z raised to 98 equal to 1. It can be written as z equal to 1 raised to 1 by 98. So now we know that simple as work, given that nth roots of unity is here equal to phi n. Simple, this is phi n is here. So phi n means, so now 98th roots of unity equal to phi 98. Phi 98, that is here 5 and find out the prime factor this. So 2 into 7 into 7 here. Next here 2 into 7 मतलब here phi, so phi of mn मतलब क्या होता है आपका phi m into phi of n. That is here if p prime, so phi p equal to p minus 1. So now here phi 2 into 7 square, so it can be written as phi 2 and into phi of 7 square. So similarly here phi p square या p raised to n, so equal to phi p raised to n minus p raised to n minus p n minus 1. That is the formula. Here p raised to n p n minus 1. So now becomes here phi 2 means here 2 minus 1 nx. Sorry, this is here 7 square minus 7 2 minus 1 here. So 1 into 49 minus 7, that is 42. So cardinality is 42. So option third is correct. But which is only applicable nth roots of unity. Next, go to method 2. So given problem is given z raised to 98 equal to 1. So 1, write down polar form. So 1 equal to 1 plus 0 I. It can be written as cos of 0 plus I sin 0. Otherwise 1 is equal to cos of 2k pi I sin 2k pi. So now, z raised to 98 equal to 1 equal to cos of 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. So z equal cos of 2k pi plus I sin of 2k pi raised power 1 by 98. So 1 by 98, otherwise apply the formula here using this cos raised to cos theta plus I sin theta raised power n equal to cos of n theta I sin n theta. Use of this here. So now we get cos of 2k pi upon 98 and plus I sin 2k pi upon 98. This is z. Otherwise it can be written as e raised to I 2k pi upon 98. So now it means here z raised to e raised to I 2k pi upon 98, where k equal to 0, 1, 2 up to required. Using Euler's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta to e raised to I theta. Here so z equal to 1. Next e raised to, putting value 1 here, 2 pi upon 98 up to, next up to how much, 97. So e raised to 97i 97 into 2, 2 7 are 4, 18 and 19, 2 9 are 18, 194. 194 divided by 98, so on. So which is here 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. It means 298. 2 and 7 are multiple prime factor of 7, prime factor of 98. So or e raised to n pi I upon 98. So now find must first multiple of 2, odd multiple of, find odd multiple of 2, find odd multiple of 2. So directly 98 divided by 2, this is 49. Odd multiple of 7, 98 upon 7, 14. Next, odd multiple of 14. Here 2 into this 2 7 14. So 98 upon 14 equal to 7. So now next, only odd multiple of 2 or 7. So now 49 plus 14 minus 7. So how much 49 and 14 plus minus 7? So 49 plus 7. Now this is, you get 56. 56. So k equal to 56 means which follow the rule z raised to n equal to 1. So now next z, but find z raised to 98 equal to 1, but z raised to n not equal to 1. So what is the cardinality? So now cardinality equal to 98 minus 56, because here which is this, here z raised to 56 is equal to 1, it is. So now 96 is, so now becomes 2 and 4, 42. So again option third correct. Option third is correct means here option third is correct. Now thank you. Now next CSIR NET June 15th मैथमेटिक्स 8 क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम्स ही की सेम है. दिस इज अ प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम बट इज द हियर डिफरेंट. हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स मीन्स हियर इज आल्सो अगेन फाइंड आउट द कार्डिनलिटी. कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ द जेड is to 6 is minus 1, that is here minus 1 is important. Z is to get minus 1, 0 for say here 4 option is given 1 2 3 4, but here is minus 1, it means solution Z is to 60 to minus 1, but which is not nth roots of unity. So do not equal phi n. So now next go to second method. So z raised to 60 equal to minus 1. It can be written as cos of pi plus I sin pi. Otherwise it can be written as cos of 2k pi plus pi plus I sine 2k pi plus pi z is to 60. So now z becomes cos raised to 2k pi plus pi plus I sine 2k pi plus pi and raised power 1 by 60. So now simplify, then we get e raised to I 2k plus 1 into pi upon 60, that is z, k equal to 0, 1, 2 to n and so on. This is n minus 1 or something. So that is important. So now putting this first 0, 1, 2, 3, we get z equal to e raised to I pi upon 60 x e raised to 3 pi I upon 60 up to so on. What is the required? Up to next e raised to 119 pi I upon 60 is when k less than 60. So now here n equal to 60. So 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, मतलब 2, 3, 5. So 60, मतलब n is a multiple of, thus that is n is a multiple of 2, 3 or 5. 2, 3 or 5 for e raised to n pi I upon 60. So now find odd multiple of 2, 3 and 15. To find odd multiples, find the odd multiple of find odd multiple of 3. So here 60 divided by 3 is 20. Odd multiple of 5, 60 divided by 5 is 12. Odd multiple of 15, 16 divided by 15, that is 4. Do not find odd multiple of 2 because e raised to I 2k pi plus 1 upon 60 not get even power of e, only get multiple of 3 and 5. So that case only find the odd multiple of 3 and 5. So next work. So now only multiple of 3 and 5 equal to 20 plus 12 minus 4. This is 28, which is follow z dash to 28 equal to minus, but हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, z is to k is not equal to minus 1. So now k equal to that rules. So now here k equal to 60 minus 28. 68 minus 28 and becomes 32. So that is here means clear कि 28 मतलब number of 28 roots that is to 28 equal to minus 1. This is 28th root is equal to minus 1, you get find out. So how many roots if z is to 20 z is to k not equal to 1, how many roots? How many roots? It is to k not equal to 1. So number of roots is equal to is 32. So option third correct. So third is correct. So now option third here is correct. Thank you. Please subscribe my channels and give an valuable comments.